welcome back to our channel.
Today we're going to be making slime, just some regular fluffy slime, nothing fancy.
Alright, so let's get into what you're going to be needing.
First, you need some shaving cream. This is going to make your slime nice and puffy.
Then you're going to need some glue. It's a main important part of the slime, so you're definitely going to be needing this.
Next, this is optional, but you can use lotion to make your slime nice and stretchy.
This is also optional, but if you want to color your slime, you could use food color or not messy paint.
Now, you are definitely going to need some activator. We're going to use contact lens solution.
Okay. And also you're going to need something to mix it with and something to mix it in.
First, you will need some glue.
Next, you'll be needing some shaving cream.
So now, it's starting to overflow a little bit, but that's okay. We'll make sure it doesn't go over the top. Now we're going to put in some lotion. So now, while Olivia keeps mixing, we're going to add some coloring, and we're going to make peach. And in order to make peach, I know this looks like red, but it's actually pink. We're going to need to do, I think it was 3 drops of pink and 2 drops of yellow.
While it keeps mixing, next we are going to be putting in the contact solution, which will bind all the ingredients together.
And by the way, when I said 2 drops of yellow, I actually meant 5. Sorry about that.
While it keeps on mixing, we're kind of just going to be talking about ourselves, so you go first.
Okay, so, well, I play soccer. I'm going to start volleyball this year, and I'm also looking for a dance place to dance at. I like the beach, as you could tell by my room. And, yeah, that's pretty much it.
Okay, so, she's Alana. So, I'm
yeah,
Olivia,
yeah.
and then I play soccer, dance, and then I'm going to join volleyball this year. I quit cheer last year. I didn't really like the organization. But, yeah, that's pretty much it. I like the beach because my room is beach theme also. But it's kind of like a different color. It's like a mint green. And let's see. So, I like kind of like sky blue, mint green. I like the 2 colors in this shirt.
Yeah, I like peach, as you could tell.
And, yeah, that's basically it about us. But yeah, so she's just gonna keep on mixing. So now that all the ingredients are mixed together, you should definitely take it out of the bowl and knead it,
Because it's very sticky.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed.
Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you.
Thank you guys for watching. We have some bloopers. Like, subscribe, and comment.
Guys, welcome back to our channel.
I don't know what I'm supposed to
It's known
say.
to work the best. And so that's what I'm going to do today. You could also use borax. I said yours, borax.
Stop it, you're so close! You're going to need the glue. It's the main important part of the slime. And why do I always forget my line? I always forget my line. Slime, you could also use paint, whatever as be needing.
Okay, wait, I forgot. Some shaving. I can't. Oh my god, now it's me.